Our AI just generated a BMW with 5 wheels.
Nice.
And I'm not sure, should I fix it or should we sell it as a feature?
Huh?
Day 16 of 90 of our road to 1 million euros by selling cars. 21 VCs pitched, but 1 replied us to apologize that they ghosted us. Today we taught the AI how a car has to look like. And it taught us that we have a long way to go. Misha, have you fixed the 5-wheel thing? He did not fix the 5-wheel thing. Tomorrow, you will hear our AI bot pitching onto our clients. Don't watch if you're allergic to cringe.